Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage juice with a blender full guide. Start by washing and chopping cabbage into 1-inch pieces, then add cold water to the blender and pulse until evenly pureed, aiming for a smooth texture without large chunks. Taste and adjust with lemon or salt if needed, and strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth when you want clearer juice. Store in a sealed jar in the fridge. Pick firm, crisp cabbage for the best juice and avoid any heads with soft spots that indicate degradation. Measure roughly 2 cups of chopped cabbage per cup of water to reach the texture you like, and add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice or a small apple if you prefer sweeter notes. For a nutrient boost, include a tablespoon of grated ginger or a pinch of salt to round flavors, then blend until smooth and uniform. Use a high-speed blender on pulse to crush fibers without warming the mixture, keeping nutritional value intact while achieving smoothness. Pour the puree into a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth over a bowl and press firmly to squeeze out maximum juice, or use a centrifugal juicer if you have one for less waste. Taste the liquid and adjust with lemon, honey, or salt, then chill before serving for optimal refreshment and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.